Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, girls and boys and girls. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Inspirational Minutes with David. Today we're going to talk about us. We're going to talk about us. I know I've been talking about them. We're going to talk about us today. We're going to talk about us. And I want to be perfectly clear about us. Our Inspirational Minutes with David today. The title or talk will be What's Inside is Outside. What's inside is outside. And what I mean by that is that whatever that's inside of you, whatever's inside of you, is outside of you. Meaning the type of information, the type of food you eat, the type of things that you do physically and mentally and emotionally ingest into your body, into your spirit. What's inside is gonna make its way outside. And I can tell you some stories about my life, but things that I have done and places I have been, not only just in the physical realm, but in the spiritual realm as well. Places I have been, the events or crazy, what we call crazy things that has happened in my life. Currently working on a new book right now, and I'll give you the title soon. But what's inside is outside. And I need you, whatever that you're doing in your life, whatever type of spirit or emotions that you're dealing with or doing in your life, having in your life, in your daily life, make sure, man, that it's right. Make sure that it will be a great effect, not only for you, but for yours, your family, and your friends. What's inside is outside. And you cannot be afraid of learning new things. You cannot be afraid of research. You cannot be afraid of growing. You cannot be afraid of evolving. I'm going to say this every video. You cannot be afraid. You cannot be afraid of that. You have to welcome it, enjoy it, bring it in, give it a hug, and continue to grow. And once you begin to grow, once you truly begin to grow spiritually and mentally and emotionally, everything around you will grow. Everything around you and everyone around you. Because spirits transfer, will transfer to them, and they will begin to learn, want to know the positive effects of your life and your being, your words, and your energy is positive. Your vibration is good and it's positive. And so what you put in is going to make yourself out. And so if you put in good energy, good positive thoughts, good positive vibes, it's going to renisate throughout you, and it's going to make its way out onto the universe. And it will attract what you are being inside mentally. It will attract it. People, places, things. Oh my, yes, it's very true. It's very true. What's is inside is outside. Speaking of what's inside is outside, I did read I went on this website because that yes, I have to talk about that it has the mRNA, and I talked about that our last time together. Since we're speaking what's inside is outside, it has the mRNA, and it was a quote by Moderna. You can go to Moderna.com, which is Moderna, Moderna, and it had a quote that said, "We set out to create an mRNA technology." The mRNA is the messenger RNA, which is in the vax. technology platform that functions very much like an operating system on a computer. It is designed so that it can plug and play interchangeably with different programs. In our case, the program or app is our small m, R as in Robert, N as in Nancy, A as in Apple, the M, small m, lowercase, and everything is caps, mRNA drug, the unique mRNA sequence that codes for a protein. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I went on their website. You can do it as well. They talk about how the DNA, how it stores instructions for proteins in the nucleus, and then they have like a little like a little pattern, and it points to the mRNA software. It's temporary set of instructions for cells to make a protein. mRNA is made from using DNA, your DNA. And then from the DNA to the mRNA, it goes to the protein. And they said proteins form the basis of life by performing the functions required by every cell. Proteins are made using mRNA. And so, yes, the VAX. The VAX has that in it as well. The VAX has the mRNA, which is going to set up different messages, application bodily, operating system that can be controlled within you. What's in you is out you. What you put in will make yourself out. Check it out. Check it out. It's modernatax.com. MORDERNATAX.com. Check it out. Very interesting. And I say everything that I talk about, if I talk about it, please know I have researched it. And I need you to get on board too. I need you to research the things that you hear. Research the things that you see. If you see it on your smart device, research it. You have it in your hand. You have it all around. It's ubiquitously a part of our lives. So I need you to research. I need you to get on it. I need you to learn. I need you to grow. I need you to evolve. And I need you to spread out the knowledge. Once you start evolving, I need you to be vocal about it. Be vocal about it. Like, attract, like. Research it. It's in the VAX. By the way, what's inside is outside. And I'm one of my big things. I talk a lot. Yes, I do talk a lot. I talk a lot. But I would love. My goal is to help people evolve. Like I'm in a constant state of evolving myself, and so I have so much passion, energy for it. But I want to see my people. I want to see our people. I want to see the people in the world to come back to humanity. That's all I really talk about. It's all that really concerns me. Yes, as a black man in America, yes, I have had my struggles. Yes, I had my things that I had to struggle with, things I had to overcome because of that. But hey, let's go. Let's go. It don't stop. Let's go. It doesn't stop. So I don't want to hear any excuses. It doesn't stop. Keep going. Remember, whoever insults, they are insulting themselves. Whoever despise themselves. Who hates, they literally hate themselves. Who curses. Who criticizes. And who lies, they lie to themselves. Whoever accuses, remember, is charged. Whoever mistreats themselves. For everything that comes out of us, return to us, belong to us, and affect us. everything, everything that you do, think about or say about the rest of the world defines you right now and returns to you, becoming a circle, a wheel that's not easily to break, as well as a big hoax because of the fact of believing that all that vision belongs only to the outside. If what comes out of you is deceit, only expect to be deceived, people. If what is born of you is sympathy, please be prepared to receive sympathy and if what comes from you is misunderstanding towards others, prepare, family, not to be understood. Because you see, outside around you, it's just what you carry inside. Everything external on the outside, external, is what your mind pays attention to. That you judge or value is exactly what exists within you. And the more it hurts me and other people to see a flaw in the behavior of others. The world, the crazy world that we live in. The more it hurts to see the flaw in behavior in others. Wow. Just think about that. Think about that for a second. Think about the things that have been going on throughout your life. And let's just backdoor it. Let's just go back 14 months ago, a year ago even. Think about it. Think about that. And the more it hurts to see a flaw or behavior in others, I repeat, the deeper the wound because you recognize your very own. Family, if you want to meet yourself, pay attention. Pay attention to your environment, your milieu. Everything your mind watches every day around you, you'll be in front of a portrait of yourself. I repeat, if you want to meet yourself, I repeat, if you want to meet yourself, pay attention to your environment, the people around you, the things that you put in mentally and spiritually, emotionally, everything your mind watches every day around you. And you'll be in front of a portrait of yourself, in front of an accurate drawing of your interior. Because what is outside is also inside. Or perhaps not giving the advice given to others best serve ourselves when we find ourselves in a similar situation. Question mark. Because what comes from you is made just for you. Now, at this moment, what comes from you is made just for you. Just for you now and at this moment. And by knowing this, that life is a wheel. It's literally a wheel, and that everything in us, we can only grasp a solution to break this circle, to change the world and to change our destiny, which is heading to the foundation of the mind. Heading to the foundation of the mind. Heading to the foundation of the mind, to where ourself, our energies, manifest thought. And to you that's watching this today, our talk today, go back and watch this video again. Because, and to you who do so, you need to observe. 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 Research. Research, people. Research. Study and control it. I need you to observe, study, peruse it, and control it. Or at least turn the alarm light on. A device that warns us, that enters our minds, a thought that does not suit us, inadequate, harmful to us. Turn that alarm light on to anything that not suit us, that's inadequate, that may be harmful to us. So you'll know, you'll hear it, you'll see it. As soon as we're born, we're located, recognize it, and throw that terrible energy away. Because we're about evolving. Only from the inside, from within, you can change everything. You can improve the environment. Only the inside directs the way. Because family, everything is in you. Everything depends on you. And please remember, only you will return. Hit the subscribe button. You made it this far in our video. And our inspirational talks with David. Hit the bell notifications so you can be alerted. Put on your alarm as well so you can be alerted when there's a new inspirational minutes with David, so we can talk and evolve the little precious moments that we have together. Do your research. Evolve. Hell, you have smart devices. Stop asking questions and research them. Or begin to ask questions and question yourself and research what's inside. We're going to make its way outside. There's so many things that's headed above us and for us. But, you know, we teach people how to treat us. We allow what we allow inside of us because it's on us. I can't make it no clearer than that. Everything is on us. It's on you. It's on me. It's on us. Whether we accept it or not. Physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, it's on us. Use your critical thinking skills. Come back. Put out good to the world so we can alter this crazy world. It's more of us. It's more of us than them. Hit the subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button. I'm David. I'm the Fly. Optician. I talk because I like to teach. I love me. And the only reason why I love myself is because I love you. And if you love you, in return, you love me. Let's spread this out. Let's put this out in the universe continuously. Research, study, evolve. What's inside will make its way outside. Literally. Until next time, I love you. I truly love you in truth. Peace.